Hey guys, I just woke up in the morning and I'm kind of starving. Like I don't understand. Okay, my name is Novaluski Saputra. My present number is 24. I'm from class 12F, and today I'll show you how to make a perfect breakfast menu. It's called hard over eggs. Let's go. Okay, so first thing first, prepare the frying pan. Step 2, turn on the stove. Okay. Add cooking oil. Boiling oil. Add the egg. Bam! Bam! Now add some seasoning. Pepper. Salt. Chili sauce. After the white is cooked, flip the egg using a spatula. 1, 2, 3, bam! Okay, so now we're gonna wait it until it's cooked, okay? Okay, turn off the stove. Then remove the egg. Let's go. Silakan.
Lu big brother.
Enjoy.